What's up folks, welcome to the channel. This week I am so excited. I'm doing a product review. Let's hit the intro. So I know a lot of you always ask me what products you use on site, Michelle, what do you recommend? And the truth is I don't do a lot of product reviews, but the lovely folks over at Bosch have sent me this amazing new laser level, and it's something that I do use on site. So I thought, hey, I'm going to give it a go, test this product out, and I'm pretty excited. Laser levels are something I use on site all the time. So yes, I present to you the Bosch GRL 600 CHV. Okay, so what have we got inside? We have a really beefy instruction manual. Okay, that's going to be an interesting read. Battery pack. It also comes with the charger, and then we've got the receiver here. Yeah, everyone who's used a laser level before will know what a receiver looks like, and this is going to go on the staff. Then we have a little remote here. Ooh. Whew, this is some kit. Right, there we go. There she is in all her glory. First thing is, like, it's really heavy, but I like the, you know, the dual carry system. Two handles there. It seems like a really good, steady, sturdy product. One thing I noticed is this, which might seem small, but this is really important and something that excites me quite a lot. I carry a lot of kit around on site, a lot of heavy kit, whether it be a sledgehammer, my EDM machine, dumpy level. There's always things to carry, and with the laser level, anything that comes with a tripod, it's just a lot of faff. And the one thing they thought about with this product is creating a little simple strap that goes onto the side of the box, so you can just throw your tripod on there and then you have one thing to carry. So there's no throwing my tripod over my shoulder and having all those annoying things that happen where it falls off or you stab yourself in the back of the legs. You can just attach it right there to the side of the box. Bonus points for that, Bosch. Now, unboxing a product is great, but you really need to get it out in the field and test it, which is what I've been doing this week on site. There you go, folks. So out in the field, testing it, loved it. But I'll come on to that. Firstly, I just want to say I don't actually, at the moment, as you might have recognised in the video for anyone that works in construction, I don't have any projects going where I can actually get using the laser physically in field. We're not doing any drainage things at the moment. It's mainly just a muck shift, but I was able to do a setup, able to test certain things like the distance parameters, look at the mobile app, see how that works, you know, see how easy it is for me to get a level off something and then transfer that level, and I was massively impressed. Like I say, I have used lasers in the past. It's a toolkit that if it's not in my van, then it's something that's hired in for the job that we're doing, whether it be for like a box cut dig and giving the workers different measurements for, you know, cut or even fill. And it's a great tool. So on a daily basis, my job involves me using my own kit, which is a GPS and a EDM, a total station. And 9 times out of 10, once I've set up a job, I use a laser level to guide the guys or the women that I'm working with. It's a great bit of kit. Anyone that works in construction will see one on site, and they get used for so many different things. And that's why I'm really excited to get hold of this kit and to use it out in the field, because I think all the little extra things that Bosch have thought about and put into it is going to make my job a lot easier. The one thing in construction is making sure that you're productive, that things work, and also that things are accurate. And that especially comes into play with my work. Accuracy is really important, and the accuracy on this laser level is incredible. Like, I think it's between 1 and 2 mil, which is just, it blows my mind. I told a lie. The accuracy is 0.05 mil. That's pretty awesome. Calibration. So with my high-end kit and a lot of other leveling kit, you have to, send it off to be calibrated. A lot of companies want to see that to make sure that you are getting the most accurate measurements out of the equipment. With this Bosch laser, you can actually calibrate it yourself, which means you don't have to send it away, you don't have to have any downtime of not having the product with you. You can calibrate it yourself by using the online app, and everything kind of walks you through the procedure. That is a major, major plus. The range. Okay, so I've used laser levels in the past, and I've set something out and we're doing levels along a distance, and you get so far and you have to reset the laser level up because it just won't go as far as you need it to go. This has an incredible range. That is amazing. And I tested it on site and it works. The app. I love that companies are now getting a bit more forward thinking with products. And throwing an app in there, you might think, why do I need an app when I'm using a laser level? But actually I found myself using it loads. Like, it's just really easy to use. I love the feature where the product can actually find you. It's great. It's something that's built into high-end total stations, and to have that in a laser level is incredible. Here's another small feature that Bosch have thought about, which for me goes a long way, is you can use the app to put the laser into sleep mode. Yeah, so it's quite small, but it's actually a big deal for me. Working out on site and everyone downs tools and disappears for break time. If you set your laser level up hundreds of meters away, it's so easy to just be like, oh, I'll just leave it running and we'll come back and start using it again. That wastes battery, which is never great, but also the laser can sometimes cause interference with other working environments, plants and people. So being able to put it into sleep mode is awesome. This leads me nicely onto interference. Lasers, like I said, can interfere on site with other plant and equipment and people, and can put people off, especially if they're within kind of like a certain eye line. One of the features that is super cool about this is that you can restrict the laser within a certain parameter or bearing, I guess, so that it doesn't affect all areas. It's not like 360. That is a real cool feature, and I think it's something that's a lot of thought has been put into. So uses, you might be asking yourself, Michelle, what are you going to be using this laser level for? Well, if you've seen any of my past videos, you will know that I use laser levels in a variety of applications. Just to give you an idea, for setting out concrete floors, for digs, giving different levels for digs and fill, that's really important, and drainage. And also I'm now thinking of other things that I may not have used a laser level for in the past that I can use this for in the future. It's just a matter of time and playing around, and thanks very much to Bosch for providing me with this awesome bit of kit. I don't do a lot of product reviews, as you'll notice here on this YouTube channel, because I have to be really excited about a product and I have to be using it, on a, if not a daily basis, a weekly basis, and this is definitely one of those products that is going to fill that need. So check it out. There's lots of videos on the Bosch website where you can see the extensive list of all the specs and capabilities of this great product, and you're going to see it in a fair few of my videos coming up over the next year or so. Thanks for watching, everyone. It's been a pleasure, and I'll catch you soon.